Hey guys, just wanted to show you a quick video of how you can use your phone to record some noise for your lo-fi tracks. I downloaded the Smart Recorder app, then I used my Video Mic Me to get a more directional sound. You can also just use your internal microphones in your phone. They're pretty good these days. And press record, then I saved it and shared it to my drive. Then I downloaded the file and imported it into my session. Now you can hear what refrigerator noise sounds like in a track. Thank you for listening and watching. Go ahead and give this video a like and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Until next time, wakey wakey people.